Today on CarX, we take a closer look at a car many people call the best-looking compact sedan ever made, the Mazda 3. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. This car doesn't just look good. It feels good the moment your eyes land on it. Because Mazda didn't design it like a normal sedan. They designed it like a moving sculpture, something that speaks to human emotions before it ever speaks to horsepower. Mazda uses a design language called Kodo. In simple words, Kodo means soul of motion. It's inspired by Japanese art forms where movement is captured in still objects. That's why the Mazda 3 looks like it's flowing even when parked. The side profile has clean surfaces with almost no unnecessary lines. This is intentional. Psychology studies show that smooth shapes make us feel calm and connected. Mazda uses that idea to create a premium impression without adding complexity. Look at how the body curves catch light from different angles. It creates depth. It creates emotion. And it makes the Mazda 3 stand out against rivals that often rely on sharp, busy lines. To car lovers, design is not just appearance. It's a story. And the Mazda 3 tells it beautifully. Step inside, and you immediately notice the cabin is minimal, quiet, and focused on the driver. Mazda believes a clean environment improves concentration. It reduces what psychologists call cognitive load. In simple words, fewer distractions, better focus on driving. Everything is placed with purpose. The screen sits high so your eyes stay close to the road. The steering wheel is thick and natural in your hands. Materials feel premium, soft touch surfaces, textured knobs, real stitching. Even the sound insulation is tuned to deliver a sense of peace. Mazda calls it premium silence. It makes every drive feel calm, even in traffic. Mazda is known for its Skyactive engineering. This isn't just a fancy term. It's a complete philosophy. Mazda designs the engine, transmission, and chassis to work together like one system. The goal is natural movement, a driving feel that matches your instinct. That's why the Mazda 3 reacts smoothly to your inputs. You turn the wheel, and it responds instantly. You accelerate, and the power feels linear, not forced. Instead of chasing big horsepower numbers, Mazda focuses on balance. On making the car feel alive. This idea comes from their Japanese principle called Jinba Itai. The connection between a horse and its rider. You feel that connection in every corner. Mazda takes a unique approach to technology. While other brands push bigger screens, Mazda prefers a mix of digital and physical controls. Why? Because physical buttons reduce distraction. Your fingers don't need to search. Your eyes stay on the road. You still get modern features, navigation, smart connectivity, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, lane safety systems, but everything is designed around one idea. Driver first. Technology second. It's a smarter approach, and car lovers appreciate it. Beyond its beauty, the Mazda 3 is a car you can live with every day. Fuel efficiency is solid. The ride comfort is surprisingly refined for its class. The seats support your body on long drives. And reliability is one of Mazda's strongest qualities. Storage is practical, the cabin feels spacious enough, and maintenance costs stay reasonable. It's stylish, but also sensible. Here's the most surprising part. The Mazda 3 looks and feels like a premium European sedan. But costs far less. This creates a strong psychological effect. People feel they're getting more car than they paid for. And that feeling builds loyalty, something Mazda owners often talk about. So, is the Mazda 3 the best-looking compact sedan ever? For many, yes. Because it combines beauty with engineering. Emotion with intelligence. Style with everyday usability. It's a car you admire. A car you trust. And a car you remember. And that's what makes the Mazda 3 truly special. This is Car X, where passion meets performance. Thanks for watching.